This is the same box as the S23 Ultra, but the device shakes a little bit too much on the inside. The colors on the S23 Ultra are different from the S22. They changed everything in order to make a clear difference from the S22 Ultra. As soon as you remove the top portion of the box, you are greeted by the camera rings. This is the main physical change compared to the S22 Ultra. I said physical change, but this is 200 megapixel main camera sensor. After removing the second layer of covering, you can see the device from the back. This is a nice green color. It is a little bit dark, but it is quite a pleasant green color that looks luxurious. This green color reminds me of supercars having that type of color. It is unique and you can see it from afar. Other physical difference can be seen on the sides of this S23 Ultra. The sides are a little bit wider than the S22 Ultra, and they are not as curvy as the S22 Ultra. So this was one of the things that I said I didn't like on the S22 Ultra. The sides were too curvy. It doesn't follow the essence of the Note series. The S23 Ultra has a 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X Infinity O display. So all this means that it is exactly the same type of specs for the S22 Ultra. We have the same display with the same specs. The display on the S22 Ultra was already an amazing display with very accurate colors, and it is super bright. Both screens have 500 pixel per inch and 1750 nits of brightness. So let me know in the comment box if you already gave up on the charging brick inside the box. Here we have the same thing. We do not have a charger. We only have an USB-C to USB-C cable and a SIM ejection tool. I think we might see chargers come back if Samsung creates a model higher than the S23 Ultra and the Z Fold 4. So something higher than the S line and the Z line. The S23 Ultra has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform for Galaxy. So they did a little bit of modification to this SoC in order to have a higher performance for Galaxy devices. The size of the battery didn't change, but the life of the battery increased due to the new SoC. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is Ip68 certified, which means that the device can survive inside water for 30 minutes and a depth of water of 1.5 meter. After the water resistance test that I did on this S23 Ultra Cream, I can see that I still had some water inside the S Pen slot. The S Pen itself is sealed and cannot be damaged by water. Samsung didn't simply bother to add some rubber around the slot where the S Pen goes in order to avoid any water from going beyond that point.